Hi, my name is Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to Dwolla in your TenantCloud account. First, you will need to make sure that you have set up your TC Payments Powered by Dwolla account. Next, click the settings gear in the top right corner. Select Online Payments from the menu, then click View Settings on the TC Payments section. There are 3 different accounts you can set up. The main bank account is the operating account for a property manager company or the default account for a DIY landlord. If you are not a property management company, then setting up this account is all you need. The next account is the deposit account, which is for property management companies that require to separate tenant liabilities such as deposits and prepaid rent. Finally, the property bank account. This is for property management companies that separate rent in and out accounts from their operating account. This account will allow all rent and other property owner-based transactions to go into a specific account separate from the company's business operating account. For this example, we will set up a main bank account. Click the Main Bank Account button. Select one of the banks from the pop-up, or type in your bank if you don't see it on the list. There are 2 different ways to verify your account. You can choose Instant Account Verification, where you will be asked to enter your online banking username and password. The second way to verify your account is the Microdeposit Verification. With this method, Dwolla will make 2 small deposits between 1 cent and 20 cents in your bank account you provided. We recommend the instant verification method. Fill in your credentials and click Agree and Continue. You can add up to 6 bank accounts under the different account types. Please note that if you are a property manager who is managing other people's properties, you do not want to add their bank accounts under your Dwolla account. Doing this will report to Dwolla and the IRS that the funds collected in your TC Payments account are to be recorded as income for you, not the bank account that the funds are going to. After you have added accounts that you wish to be used on TenantCloud, you can then assign specific accounts to specific properties so that the incoming rental payments will automatically be sent to those property accounts. If you have the property as unassigned to a specific bank account, then all funds related to this property sent online will be deposited to the TC Payments balance account. Lastly, if you separate tenant liabilities, you will want to set up a deposit account. If at any time you want to redesignate a bank account type, you can do so by clicking the Actions button, then select one of the options from the drop-down menu. And that's how easy it is to add a bank account to your TC Payments Powered by Dwolla account. To start managing your rental properties for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.